I tried every snoring product that is out.
What did you try, actually?
The clips, the strips, the vents, the 3 different
mouth
mouthpieces.
devices.
You tried a mask?
Mouthpieces.
You tried
Everything. So I ran into an article about a doctor called
Dr. Fowler. From
1888. He was a prominent surgeon that helped the first tuberculosis patients with their lungs. And he came up with a protocol to help them breathe and get more oxygen. They put them in an upright position, and by doing that, he found out that anybody who was a snorer before the operation
Wow.
stopped snoring.